Alright guys, we are cooking some steak tonight. We got some cheddar broccoli here. Delicious 99-cent meal. Cup and a half of water. One cup. And 1/2. Wow. Got a nice cut of meat here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Salt. Pepper. Garlic. Rub it in. Flip. Repeat. Alright, everything's almost ready to go. Pan's hot enough. Just waiting for this water to boil. Throw the pasta in, throw the steak on, eat. Alright, water's boiling. Let's pour in the pasta. Give that a quick mix. Ooh. Ow. Hot boy. Hot boy. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and throw the rest of the butter on there, and we'll save a little bit for after. A little bit for after. Oh my goodness, I almost missed. Alright, ready? Oh yeah. Alright, I'm doing just about 2.5 minutes on each side for this steak here. It's a little thick. This isn't the hottest fire in the world. We'll go ahead and flip it in just a second. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's gonna be hot. Oh yeah, that's looking good. That's looking real good. Give this bad boy a quick stir. All right, we're just at 2.5 minutes on each side. We'll go ahead and take it out. Oh yeah. Cut it up and see how it looks. All right, let's see how our steak turned out. We're looking for rare steak here, boys. Oh yeah, it's looking nice. Shuba. We eating tonight. We eating, boys. We're on plastic fork, full tang knife. You heard? You can get a gist for the whole camp setup here right now. Car's up there, a little incline. Move the fire pit over there. Got my little kitchen set up. Here's the hammock. Got the Eno tarp, Eno hammock with the straps. Got a 50-degree sleeping bag in the hammock. I mean, it's only been getting down to like 70 the past 2 nights, so literally hasn't been bad at all.